Hello friends, today we are going to sculpt a cartoon bird in Blender. So we shall delete this cube pressing X on the keyboard. Now we shall uh, press Shift S cursor to world origin, Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. Okay. Now we directly go to the sculpting tool over here and then enable certain things, enable dynamic topology, detail size to 6, symmetry to mirror X, F, and move the mouse, increase the size of the brush. So let us change the auto smooth values in draw 0.045, inflate 0.045, and the third one, K snake hook brush, auto smooth 0.045. Okay, now we can start sculpting our bird in Blender, cartoon bird. Okay, we're going to make a nice cartoon bird. Blender, undo it. Yeah, this was better actually. Okay, this is much better. Yeah. Now we are going to flatten out this area. We are going to X and Control. Okay, so we're going to make the lower beak over here. Okay, K snake hook. Close and create the lower beak. Okay, we'll create a different kind of beak. Otherwise, it will be difficult to animate, right? We are undoing the whole thing. We'll leave it open so that it's easier to do the animation, right? Leave it open. Then easier not only for that, even before animation, we need to do retopology, and therefore we need to keep things clean right at the beginning. Okay. Keep things simple. Control S, save the file, a Blender art. We could create a new folder called CARTOO and cartoon BIRD, cartoon bird. Cartoon, cartoon, BIRD, cartoon bird. Save it, okay? And now to extrude the neck, neck of the cartoon bird, okay? I inflate brush, Shift F, increase the intensity of the brush, inflate brush. Again, K snake hook, make the size big and grab it, okay? So the cartoon bird has to be actually funny looking, thin neck, right? That's how, not so thin, maybe inflate it a bit over here. Okay, this will be okay. And we grab the rest of the thing and make the body, okay? Okay, snake hook, I inflate, okay, that'll be nice and cute. Yeah, that's good. That's very cute, okay? Now for the legs, okay, again, snake hook, F, reduce the size, so we'll create the legs, okay? Create the legs of the cartoon bird, inflate a bit, let's inflate this area, I inflate, F, increase the size of the, okay? Okay, snake hook, 3, side view, I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, otherwise retopology will be very difficult. Not difficult, I mean it will be like very time consuming. Okay, so I'm trying to keep it as simple in geometry as possible. Okay, snake hook, I inflate again. We could make the legs funnier, okay? Make them, inflate them more, still funny. It's supposed to be a cartoon bird, right? It's supposed to look funny, isn't it? Shoe-like legs. Very funny bird. Control S, keep saving. We do one thing. Yes, we could rotate the legs outwards. Okay, where is the pose tool? In the pose tool. F, increase the size. Okay, that's better. Reduce the size. Control S, keep saving. Okay, now we'll reorient the legs. Snake hook. Increase the size. Okay, we'll try to keep it as simple as possible so that when we do retopology, it is not so difficult. Because after retopology, we'll have to texture it, then create a rig, the bone structure for the bird, and then finally animate it. Okay, yeah, that's what we mean to do, keeping it simple. And a simple wing will do over here. Okay, okay, snake hook. Increase the size. Okay, a simple wing is fine for our birdie. It's not so. Control S, keep saving. This is a cartoon bird. We have model, and what about the eyes? We have sculpted. What about the eyes? What about the eyes? Big goggling eyes, right? Real big eyes. Oh, real big eyes. Okay, and we'll do some kind of inflating over here and make something funny over here. Some funny thing over here. Okay, this is going to be our cartoon bird. Okay, let's not make it too complex, otherwise again I told you the same retopology will be a big challenge for us. So we should leave it at that, I think, right? Okay, So it's going to be like this. Control S, keep saving. So this is our cartoon bird, and we are certainly going to do retopology because the mesh is very dense. If you can see, the mesh is quite dense. Where do we see it? It will show you over here only. Annotations, statistics. Yeah, here you see. Vertices 86,259. Edges 2,58,000. Faces 1,72,000. Right. So we cannot, certainly we cannot animate this as it is, but of course we can do one thing. We can simply uh, decimate the model into a lower number of tries and try animating it. But then the challenge would be to first to do retopology and then to texture it and then to rig it and then animate and render it. Okay, so I think we should pause here and we shall continue with the retopology in our next video tutorial. Till then, bye and have a good day. Please subscribe if you liked my modeling. Thank you once again.